Alright, we are back. Back in the mix. Twilight's Ponut has been desolated. Now it's time to move on.
To fragment of sanity. Ah, yes. Like the fragment I have left.
Fragment of ammo is what this should be called. Do you enjoy the chainsaw sound? I hope you do, because it's going to be a feature of this particular episode, I think. Ugh, okay. Oh, interesting. A little peek. Whoa! Okay, what do we pick up from that? 12 shells? We can't fucking use the BFG. It was worth sacrificing some health. I mean, we've got this thing in here. I see you, you bastard.
You bastard. I'll fucking kill you. In fact, I just did.
Whoa, where'd you come from, fucker? God damn.
Goddamn, son, what kind of hell anus did you crawl out of?
We just got him out there. Woo! Love this music track, man. God damn, the music's good in this. Alright, let's save, because our health is 33. We're just going to call this 33 for no particular reason. And we can't really run across there. We don't have the health to do that. What's behind this door? We need a red key. I want to try and save that if we can. Oh, fuck you, man. What the... prick, man. I don't have the health to waste. Okay. Nope. We have so little health, man. I'm gonna be stingy about it. Alright. This we can't get into yet. It's great when the lost souls start to attack each other, man. That is the most satisfying shit. They're so fucking annoying. Okay. Let's take care of you two. Oh, okay. Alright. Yeah, fucking punish me for doing that with a fucking cyber demon. God damn. That's fucking ridiculous, man. This set of maps is great about anticipating where the player thinks they're safe and then putting something in their way that's like completely a mind fuck. It's very good. I mean, god damn, it's good. I'm enjoying the hell out of this. That's not a pud. Come on. I wonder if we could chainsaw our way through those guys. Let's not try that. Hey. Again, I still don't think we have enough cells to kill Mr. Cyber Demon. Okay, no, we definitely don't. What is the play here? Is there a... Whoa. Okay, we can't open that door. We know that. And we're probably dead, but I'm just going to figure out what we have to do here. Ah, there's the eye. Okay, that's the eyeball. All right. In that case... Grab this. Back here. Save. Now, you know what? In fact, we're going to do this. That wasn't worth the health, was it? 56? No, it was not.
Right in the eye. Fuck you. I'll cut the worm right out of your eye with me fucking chainsaw, you fucker.
Chainsaw only run of Sigil 2, starring me. Woo! Where the I should have killed all those fucks when I had the chance, man. I should have killed you when I had the chance, Bond. But I was too attracted to your toned buttocks. Alright, now we got some real shit. We got the plasma gun. Hell yeah. Is there some kind of... Is there anything in here that's... Oh, the yellow key. Okay. Grab that. Very good. Now... I'm guessing that opens that other door. But, you'll recall we left this little tidbit. Oh, it's a red key. Interesting. Okay. Alright, so the yellow key must be over here. Can we plasma gun this guy to death? Let's just kill these guys with a shotgun. Fuck off, man. God damn it, that guy's annoying. Fucking cyber demons. For fuck's sake, I'm just trying to kill these two fucking... They dead? Okay. Oh, that's retarded. I could have just done the, could have just used the chain gun there. Or the, chainsaw. Let's just do that. Ah, the extra blood texture's a beautiful doom. Look at those crunchy pixels. Tasty blood. Woo! Oh, hello. What are you doing up there, bro? He's doing it. He's fucking stripping for us. Okay. Alright. Fuck you. No, I'm not gonna be shot by you. That's fucking pathetic.
We'll reload as many times as we need.
There we are. Oh man, that door is not fucking opening. Okay, well that didn't work. Alright, can we kill him? That's the question. Can we actually kill this guy? I don't want to waste all of our ammo on him though. Like, that's the thing. Motherfucker! God damn it. Are we gonna have to kill that guy? I think we may have to. We've got 440 shots. I'm pretty sure we can do it. It's not a question of skill, it's a question of how many shots we have at this point. Oh, fuck you, man. Cyberscumming the game. Oh man, we almost got him. Alright, we'll get him. I didn't hit him. Oh, you fucking dickhead. I hate these fucking things so much. They do a 3 burst of rockets, but then they can do it like a second afterwards. Like there's no real delay. Fuck you, man. Finally. Holy fuck. Alright, can we get this key with some modicum of fucking tranquility here? Ooh boy. Okay, what do we have now? We have the epic plasma gun. I think we're just gonna use my shotgun though. We have a ton of shells, so why the hell not? I wonder if there's any secrets behind this altar here. In fact, how are we doing for secrets? 0 out of 4. That's total shit. Well, maybe they're all in the other part of the level. Who knows? Yeah, kill him! Crush him! Oh, this is... oh, fuck off. Yay, 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 yay. Is there a button I was supposed to press? You gotta be kidding. Oh, for fuck's sake, there's a goddamn... ah! Oh, that whole area is safe? What the hell?
What the hell, Lois? I won't get crushed if I'm in this whole entire area. Let's reload a save in case we just fucked up, because we kind of did.
weird little thing to include here. What the fuck does that mean? I knew it. Okay, now the question is, what the hell did that do? Riveting gameplay. Waiting for the death ceilings to kill the enemies. Let's not do this. Come on, motherfucker! That was stupid. Man, how do you get out of this thing? Holy shit. You gotta, like... How the fuck do you not get caught in that? Is it impossible not to? I guess... maybe it is. Whatever, we get 83 health. That's good enough. What's down here? Evidently nothing. I was like, there's too many cracks in the wall. There's got to be one of those eyes here. Whoa! Greetings, sirs. Oh, yeah. I was like, there's got to be a secret in there, man. No fucking way there isn't. Hell yeah. Fucking asshole, man. Ruining my fun. Fuck you. Ah! I think you have to wait for this to start coming down, maybe? Is there no way to get out of there without getting fucking smashed? Is that just not a thing? I guess not. I guess you have to be crushed a little bit. Sorry if I'm not saying much. I kind of go into a fucking trance when I play this game. It's like, I don't even know. I don't know how to describe it. It's just one of those games. It's like I have nothing to say except look how fun this is. You either get it or you don't. Come on, get closer to me. Fuck you, son! Can't hit that from here, okay. Are there no med kits around here? Guessing not. What does that do? Whoa! What is back here? Nothing? Oh! Interesting. Now, what could be in there? Just ammo? Okay. Right now we need health more than we need ammo. Yeah, as usual, we're fucking low on health in this. Don't much appreciate being this low on health. Oh boy. We can't even go grab the ammo now. We don't have the health to do that, so... guess we'll just crank this Soldier Boy switch and see what the fuck happens, okay. Oh, god fucking damn it. Okay. How the where the fuck? Fuck you. God fucking damn it, these... You can't even see them, man. You can't even see where they are. Alright, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go back here for a sec and see where this portal leads. Maybe this goes somewhere useful. Oh. Okay. I mean, that would be useful, except, you know... I mean, the thing is, there's a med kit here, which is great, but I don't think there's a way for me to get out of here now without, like, burning through half of the health I just picked up, which is kind of stupid. If there's some timing to get through that part of that bullshit, I don't know what it is. This is gonna be a fucking mess. Okay. Alright, you know what we'll do? See if we can grab that med kit. Even if we only gain 10 health, be better than nothing. Just BFG that whole fucking area. In fact, is there any health left back here that we didn't pick up? I doubt it. Just desperation right now. I don't think there's anything left back here. Nope. Okay. Oh, there's some ammo down there. Be nice to get that. Too bad it would kill us instantly to do so. Alright, let's run back through here. Grab that med kit. Oh, for fuck's sake. Bruh. At this point, I'm just posting my L's online. Alright. How the fuck does that corner clip me every time? I just want to see if I can get out of there and gain more health than I lose by doing so. It's gotta be possible. Any amount of extra health would be good at this point. Anything. 5 extra health would be fucking fantastic. There's nowhere to hide from this shit, is there? No, that just kills me instantly. Okay, fuck that. Alright. Okay, we're just gonna have to be really good at this. Which we're not. God fucking damn it. This part fucking sucks. This is so stupid. I can't target them even. Well, if I can't even target them, what's the point? They're not going to walk up the cliff. Maybe they will if I wait for 20 minutes. I'd rather fight 10 of these things than the fucking shotgunners, man. They're goddamn annoying. Damn it! You forced me into using plasma. Okay, did I waste enough ammo? Are we good? Good lord. Okay, 47 health is not terrible. Let's go ahead and save. We got more med kits down here. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Now the real question is, what secrets are hiding in here? There's got to be some... There's got to be an eyeball in the wall somewhere. A wall eyeball. That's a teleporter. Where's our wall eyeball? Where'd you hide it, Romero? Where'd you hide it, John? Come on. I know there's one in here. There has to be. Is it up there? Oh, wait a minute. Is it this way? Do we have to go this way? It's over here. Ooh. Spooky. Woo! Very spooky. Ah, you fucker. I gotta pick up all these shotguns again. What a tedious affair. God damn. Alright, let's head back this way. Hell yeah, alright. Whew, okay, well, we've reached the end, finally. We've arrived to the epic eye of Sauron. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. We're gonna end this one here. And in the next one, we'll move on to the next level. Imagine that. You could never have predicted it. Thanks again for watching. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're staying happy and healthy. And as always, peace out.